Hi there, welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. I was just thinking, get comfortable with every new thing you do, every new project, that it's really a big mess. It seems like every new thing we do starts that way. I mean, let's say we're trying to add a new feature for the software. There is so much confusion and information that we're pouring over to get it put together. When it finally gets done, it's this very reliable thing that delightfully works, but you would never know that or guess that if you looked at how it started in the beginning. I went over to the driving range, and I had bought this club. It's a real flexible club. It's called a lag shot club or something like that. And it's supposed to teach you this certain way of hitting a golf shot. But it's really weird how it's flexible and moves, and you feel ridiculous when you're first starting to use it until you kind of get the idea of what it's trying to teach you. Same thing, right? It starts off very awkward and confusing, and you feel like you're going back, not improving. Same thing with the project I'm talking about, and probably everything you would start. Let's say a training program, a marketing program. Just be comfortable with it being a mess. It's absolutely okay if it's a mess at first. It seems, has to be that way. And then you get it to where it's working well. It's the price of what did you talk about last time? It's the price of admission is getting comfortable with that kind of confusion in the beginning and failure. But at the end, you can create something you're very proud of. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.